Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I have the Barrymore 5.3 quart stand mixer. The color that I have is white icing and it's from her beautiful kitchenware collection. So it says it has a tilt head design, lifts to easily add ingredients while mixing, a stainless steel bowl with easy grip handle. It has 3 attachments included, a coated metal flat beater, a dough hook, and stainless steel wire balloon whisk. It also has a splash shield to easily add additional ingredients while you're mixing, and also a 12 optimal speed setting. And the accessories are also dishwasher safe. And it says you can make up to 9 dozen cookies in this. So now I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, so here's the stand mixer. Look how pretty that is. The B is in gold. Here are your 3 attachments. Your wire balloon whisk, your paddle attachment, and also your dough hook. And here's the splash shield, and it comes with the instruction manual right here. The stainless steel bowl is like really big, and you can lock it in and turn it right here. And as you can see, it's a little latch in there. You can lock it. And then the tilt head. This is really nice. So the splash shield, it interlocks on the top. All you have to do is turn it. So that looks nice. Here I added the wire balloon whisk. That's very easy to put on. Just put on and twist and it locks in place. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and make a batch of chocolate chip cookies. I'll be putting all the ingredients down in the description and I will walk you through it. Okay guys, for our chocolate chip cookies, we're going to need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and also 3 sticks of butter at room temperature. Okay guys, you want to set your oven to 375 degrees. Now in a large bowl, you want to add your flour, your salt, your baking soda, and also your baking powder, and we're just going to whisk that together until it's well combined. Then we're going to set it to the side. Okay guys, to the stand mixer, you want to add in your butter, your granulated sugar, and also your brown sugar. For this, we're going to be using our paddle attachment. Now, you're just going to mix until everything is well combined. Now you can add your eggs one at a time. Okay guys, I like to always go in and pull from the sides. And all you want to do is push everything to the center. Now you want to slowly add in your dry ingredients. And you're just going to keep mixing until everything is well combined. Once everything is well combined, you can add in your chocolate chips. And continue to mix until it's well combined. Once your cookie dough is done, we're going to remove it, place it into a bowl, and we're going to put it into our refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay guys, you want to get a baking sheet and you want to line it with parchment paper. So now our cookie dough, I just got 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to start scooping out and forming my cookies. Now our cookies are ready to go into the oven for 13 to 17 minutes. Okay guys, our cookies are done, so I'm going to let them cool off before I transfer them onto a wire rack. Now let them sit till they cool off completely. Okay guys, so here are our chocolate chip cookies made with the Drew Barrymore 5.3 quart stand mixer. So yeah guys, this stand mixer is worth it, and I would suggest if you're looking for one, this is the best one to get. Okay guys, so this is not sponsored, but I would say this is a very good stand mixer, the 5.3 quart Drew Barrymore beautiful collection. I'm satisfied with it, as well as her other appliances that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.